Hello everyone, welcome back to CryptoBuy YouTube channel. So inside this video, let's talk about the latest update of Pi network. Finally, a new update, a new article from the Pi code team, which is about 2FA code, which is about two-factor authentication for your Pi migration wallet. So their migration is impending, even those, their balance is inside unverified balance. So there are amazing news, new updates from the Pi code team. Let's check this article. Let's see what new updates we can find in here about migrating, about the unverified balance, even about the migration wallet. Each and everything I will cover inside this video. So watch this video, share this video with everyone, and now let's get started. If you are new to this channel and you want to get more videos about Pi network, Crystal project, meme coins, cryptocurrency, crypto updates, then make sure click on the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to get notification while I upload a new video. So okay guys, this is new update from the Pi code team inside the Pi network official website. So you can find this article. This is new article. Okay, two-factor authentication for Pi migration wallet helps ensure Pioneer account security. So in here now, all the Pioneers, those who did not migrated their Pi coin, so they need to enable two-factor authentication in order to migrate their Pi coins to the Mainnet wallet. Even those their migration is impending, so they have to complete this two-factor authentication. Even those their balance, they just migrated their balance, but the coin is not migrated and transferred back to unverified balance. So again, they need to complete two-factor authentication in order to migrate the unverified balance to the Mainnet wallet. So let's check this article. Okay, so this update, this feature released on 13 March 2025, it means that all the Pioneers need to complete 2FA before their Pi is successfully migrated to the Mainnet wallet. It means that you need to verify your email address, a trusted email address, no any mobile phone, no any authenticator, only email address. So make sure the email address should be your own email address, active email address. Okay. So some Pioneers may already have a trusted email address that they can use to start the 2FA to confirm their migration wallet. Okay, this 2FA is important. Why? Because if you don't complete 2FA, you cannot migrate your Pi coin to the Mainnet wallet. That's why you have to complete the 2FA in order to migrate your Pi coin. And then, in order to complete the 2FA authentication, you have to complete liveness check, because they will check whether this email is yours or no, whether this email is real or no. So that's why in here you can see setting up the trusted email is done by completing a liveness check that ensures that the trusted email address is provided by the owner of the account. Here you can see. So once completing the email verification, you have to complete the liveness check, because they are checking whether you're the real person or no, whether this email address is yours or someone else. Okay, so this will receive a prompt in the mining application. To do so, only Pioneers who have completed KYC, including tentative KYC. Okay, so who is eligible to complete this 2FA? Only those who completed the KYC, including tentative KYC. There are some users, they completed the KYC, but they are just pending in the tentative KYC, so they cannot complete this feature. Those who completed the KYC, those who completed tentative KYC, so they are eligible to complete email verification. They are eligible to complete the 2FA authentication in order to migrate their coins to the Mainnet wallet. So the trusted email is also used for other important accounts verification. Like, of course, once you verify your email address, it will help you in the future. Like you can recover your account with the email address. Even it is essential to add an email that you own and trust. Providing a random email address that you don't have access to will result in failures to complete verifications. So the email address you are giving in here, it should be active. Because if it's not active, if you don't have access to the email address, so you cannot complete the 2FA authentication. Okay, so further, you will then be unable to confirm your wallet to migrate your Pi or recover your account in the future. Of course, you cannot complete this feature. If you don't complete the 2FA authentication, so you cannot migrate your PiCoin. Even in the future, you cannot recover your account. So further, in here you can see, in the 2FA interface, Piners must confirm access to the migration wallet or change it by creating a new one, and afterwards will receive another email to verify this confirmation. It means that in order to verify the 2FA, you have to access to your migration wallet. If you don't have any migration wallet, simply create a new one. In the picture you can see, confirm your migration, confirm this wallet, or change your wallet. You can create a new wallet, or you can go with current wallet. Even if you want to create a new one, so here you can see, make sure, one thing I should tell you, Piners will only receive emails from this email address. Here you can see, note this email address. Do not trust any other email to avoid phishing or scam attack. Here you can see, so you can create a new migration wallet, or you can go with current one, but make sure in order to verify your email address, you have to go through your migration wallet. Okay, one more thing, even you can complete this 2FA inside your Mainnet checklist. Here you can see, you can complete 2FA wallet confirmation through the Mainnet checklist, or simply go with migration wallet. You have two options. So once you complete your 2FA authentication, so there is another update about returned Pi balances during the migration pending period. For example, you migrated your PiCoin, but your PiCoin is in pending. Still you did not get it inside your Mainnet wallet. Okay, let me tell you one thing. Here we have a new update. So those their PiCoin is in the pending, your PiCoin might be returned to unverified balance. Or inside your mining application. So that's why you have to complete your 2FA in order to migrate it again, in order to send your PiCoin again to the Mainnet wallet. So you have to complete the 2FA. This is the requirement before the migrating PiCoin inside the Mainnet wallet, because your migration might be still in the pending from 14 days. Seen here, from 14 days. So don't worry about that, because your PiCoin will be returned inside your mining application. So the design of the 14-day pending period after migration was specifically for purposes including this one. Once these Piners complete 2FA, their migration of the original balance or slightly more will be in-queued again to the Mainnet blockchain. Of course, if your migration is in pending, this is only because of the 2FA. Because the PiCo team need you to complete your 2FA, and then they are going to migrate your PiCoin even more than that to the Mainnet wallet. You don't need to worry about that. So 2FA and the Pi return features are meant to ensure as much as possible the security of Piners' Pi and accounts due to the nature of blockchain, where transactions are immutable and the Pi wallet is non-custodial. Okay, so here you can see, sometime your PiCoin, if your migration is in pending, so it might be a transfer to the unverified balance. There are many Piners, there are many, I can say lots of people are asking that when we can transfer our unverified balance. So in here, if your migration just transfer back to the unverified balance, so you can transfer it to the Mainnet wallet, because the migration will not be transferred to the transferable balance, because already you just transfer it to the Mainnet wallet. So it just return back to your mining application. So this time you will see it inside unverified balance. So the next time your unverified balance will be transferred to the Mainnet wallet. Also in here you can see some important notes about the Pi returns and the Mainnet migration process. So the first one is about 14 pending period, and then the second one, which is about the unverified balance. See in here you can see some Piners who have their Pi returned may see their migrated Pi balance be returned to their unverified balance rather than transferable balance. So this was because the displayed amount in the transferable balance is a pessimistic estimate for the UI. That's why I told you don't worry about that. If your PiCoin from the pending just return to the unverified balance, don't worry about that, because next time your unverified balance will be transferred to your Mainnet wallet. So this is the new update from the PiCo team. Make sure to read this article make sure to check this article. This is all about the 2FA verification. If you don't complete it, you cannot migrate your Pi coin. So make sure to complete the email verification, make sure to complete the Liveness in order to ensure this is your email address, you are the owner of the account. So, and then you can migrate your Pi coin. I hope you understand this video. I hope you like this video. If you have any confusion, you can read this article from top to bottom. So smash the like button to the all-time high. Still did not subscribe to our channel, make sure to click on the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to get notification while I upload a new video. This video is end up being here. Till the next video, goodbye, see you.